Create Cloud is a platform that offers services and applications for videos, photographs, and web pages, offers plans and prices for individuals, students and teachers, companies, and specific photography plans. If you want to stay in touch with work groups and have the applications not only on your computer's desktop, you can also download your application for mobile devices, be it iPad, iPhone, or Android. With this application, you can have a preview of Photoshop files. Illustrator and Indencing can open PDF and create libraries both online and offline. Initially, log in with your Adobe ID email. If you do not have one, you can create it or use the business account or your school. Then in the Applications icon, all the options that the Suit has for you will be displayed. Choose the one that you most need and adapt to your preferences. When selecting one, you will be redirected to the Android store and the download will be immediate. For example, in Lightroom, in the beginning you can find interactive tutorials, which through chapters explains the step-by-step of the function you want to perform. You can also create your own albums, where you can add your photos or take them directly there. You can organize them by groups with the name you want. In Photoshop Express, you can also edit images with effects and filters. You can add text borders, improve color, create collages, make perspective corrections, eliminate noise, give more sharpness and detail to your photos, blur specific elements and customize them in a concrete way. With Adobe Spark, you can create a post in a matter of seconds thanks to the professionally designed templates. You can add your photos, text, and play with different fonts and color ranges. In other words, it is graphic design, fast, free, and effective. If you like to draw professionally or in your free time, you can download Photoshop Sketch, an application full of pens, markers, brushes, and many tools to explore your creativity, leaving sketches ready to take to Photoshop or Illustrator.